What's going on, family? So I made it here on the Carnival Radiance. They have just let us know that we're able to go to our rooms. So I'm here at the room, so we're going to go ahead and do a tour of the room on the Carnival Radiance. All right, family, so this right here is the room that I will be in for the 4 days. You can see I have a king size bed. Last time I was on a Carnival on the, what ship was that? The Valor. They had gave me a little twin bed, but here on the Radiance I have a king size bed. So you have your TV here. You have 2 plugs, your dressers right here. Got more little space right here. They gave you some extra covers. They gave you your 2 towels right there. So if you want to go to the beach and use one of the towels, you can, but I'm pretty sure that you would have to pay for it if you do not bring the towel back. They have upgraded the monitor here with the AC system because 2 years ago the Radiance went through a $200 million upgrade. This right here is the bathroom. This is the shower area. And then you have plenty room for the closet area here. Down there you got your ice box. You got plenty of room for shoes, hats, what have you. And your suits here, your dresses. I am waiting on my suitcase. They had not arrived yet. This right here is the safe area. With some Carnival cruise lines, you just get your little credit card or either your driver license, swipe it across, and it'll lock the safe for you. And then just come back and swipe it, it'll unlock it. Now here's your life vest if there was ever an emergency. So yeah, family, this here is the room I will be staying in for the 4 days.